555. My handwriting, are you able to just push it aside? Is it okay? You people are able to, is it legible? I'm more interested in legible. The pink, sorry. 15. Yeah.
17.
Okay. I have a reason for writing a wrong spelling. I'll tell you. Yeah.
19.
19 is it? Who's that? Can I see? 19 is it? 90. Okay. Yeah.
68. I want 9.
68. Okay. Yeah.
I want 9.
9?
Just 9.
09. Okay. Yeah.
03.
999. Madam, I got you. Thank you.
81. 81. 786.
Can I move this guy outside? This yellow guy. I think I have to move him at the back. That's why I love young guys, you know. That's so cute. 786. Okay, I will put a big code so that you know that. Done? Okay. 9. The board is behind me and I am in front of you. 9, ask me from the 1. Okay? I will tell you the adjective. Then when you go to the last, ask me the adjective and tell you the number. Are we all ready?
Yes.
All I require is I want you to clap, you know, without stop. At the end of it. Yeah, spontaneously. Impromptu clap. I love it. I love the sound. I'm a very audio person. Yeah. After the but I loved it. Anyways. Nayan, love you, Nayan. Start. And I want you to see my expression as well. Sun. I've written sun for 04.
Take this mic.
Okay, so am I supposed to read out the number?
Yeah, you have to give me the number, I'll give you the adjective. When you give me the adjective, I'll give you the number and then we'll throw it randomly to the crowd.
Okay, so 4.
Sun.
555.
555 FB engineer.
15.
Prosperous.
17.
Cycle.
90.
90, I've written a triangle.
Right. 68.
Uncle.
09.
A marriage.
3.
A love.
999.
Almighty.
600.
600 realistic present.
81.
Sweet.
786.
786, I've written a code AK47DBA.
Right.
So now the numbers are given by you, isn't it? That is more important. So you tell me the code, AK47DBA is 786. So the fourth number is cycle and it is 17. For prosperous, I've written a wrong spelling. Okay? Isn't it? So there is love and that is 8. So like that you ask me anywhere, Nayan, or the audience can.
Marriage.
Marriage 09.
Uncle.
68.
Engineer.
Sorry?
Engineer.
Engineer.
FB.
FB engineer 555, sweet is 81. Channel is 90. Love is 03. Marriage is 09.
Almighty.
Almighty is 999. Sorry, sweet is 81. Sun is 04 than the first number.
Uncle.
68.